So, time to know a little bit more about TeeSpring. But ones may wonder, what does TeeSpring even do? No worries, guys. I got your back as always. And by the end of this video, you'll have the answers for almost all of the important questions when it comes to TeeSpring. And guys, if by any chance you liked my content, then I'll be glad if you subscribe to my channel, as it'll motivate me to keep pushing new videos. So, without further ado, let's start. Teespring is actually a little bit different to the other print-on-demand platforms, like Spreadshirt and Redbubble for example, as Teespring tends to provide the sellers with an easy-to-use product publishing platform. But to see how much of a difference Teespring is compared to other companies, we need to have a deeper look into its business model. Teespring provides a huge variety of products for its sellers to use, where sellers upload their design and choose which product to sell with that design on them. And by the way, Teespring provides over 60 different products with over 320 variants to sell on your store. But as much as this process sounds good so far, yet Teespring does not provide a public marketplace for its sellers, as each seller get a private store by default. And to make sales, the sellers must share his store link with others directly, whether by advertising it on his or her YouTube channel, or by usual social media advertising. And once an order is placed, Teespring takes care of the printing and order handling and shipping. Yes guys, it's as simple as that. So, with that said, let's move on to pricing details and how much profit can sellers end up with. The standard payment system on Teespring is based on fixed commissions of the main price. And fortunately, Teespring allows its sellers to determine each product price. But as per my past experience with managing few stores on Teespring, I'd highly suggest to make your commission profit between $4 to $6 on average. And when it comes the options, you'll have to withdraw your earnings through. We have two ways to withdraw earnings. First one is Payoneer, and second is PayPal. And once a withdrawal request is initiated, it'll take from 24 to 48 hours for the payout to reach your chosen receivable account. So yeah, that is all the needed details you should know when it comes to payments. Hope you guys following along. So let's jump into the main products that do well when it comes to sales. We got various products, but some of the best are the following. So make sure to include them in any of your design's publishing process. Now let's answer the most asked question. Can you actually make good money on Teespring? And guys, let's forget all this fake guru stuff and be honest for a minute. As a seller on Teespring, your only traffic will be through your advertising or YouTube channels or even social media profiles, and not through any on-site SEO as on other platforms. So in this case, the right question will be, how much traffic can you drive to your Teespring store? And your answer will determine how your earnings should look like. As in average cases, the conversion rate goes around 2% to 5%. That means if you drove 100 visitors to your product, you'll get 2 to 5 sales. And the conversion rate will surely increase if your audience already knows you, like in YouTube channel's case for example. Now, by knowing how to correctly estimate the earning for a Teespring store, I got one more advice for you guys in case you ever needed an organic way to attract more traffic to your Teespring store. I've made a fully detailed video on how to promote your products without a single dollar. The video was for promoting merch by Amazon, but the process is still the same for nearly all sectors of e-commerce. So give it a look and hope it leverage your business up. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope it benefits you on the long run. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.